Hey everyone, Ronnie with Slater. So what you're looking at is a V-18 hip anchor. Very first one ever installed. For my temporary fall protection today, I'm using some 2-inch tubular webbing tied around that chimney. And the tubular webbing has good abrasion resistance and very high strength, so you just have to learn the right knot to tie to make it work. But anyway, so temporary fall protection. This is a Da Vinci roof, 10 years old. I remember when it went on. We didn't put it on. The client and I both live another 10 years. I'll be cleaning these gutters for the next 10 years. And this backside is kind of high, and they've got some problems there that I've got to work on. But anyway, so although the V-18 anchor is pretty darn good looking, we didn't want it visible from the front of the house, so we picked the hip right back here. I'm going to have another one actually right down there, and that will allow me to service that area from that one, this area from this one. And then what'll be kind of fun is I'll have to use 2 ropes to triangulate an anchor to get an anchor point right about here for some other work I've got to do. So it's a great day to be roofing. Y'all be careful, and hip anchors are really helpful when you have to reach spots way out to the end. 5,000 pounds in any direction, V-18. Y'all take care.